Hi all, I wish everyone who watches this channel to like, share and subscribe the videos. Okay, the topic today we are going to cover is series, one of the most important topic of all competitive exams. There are various types of series. So I thought I'll cut it into two portions so that I can cover it. Otherwise it will go too long. Okay, here today I'll cover alphabetical series. Okay, what is series first? In simple terms, I'll tell you there will be a continuous sequence, whether it may be number or letter or words. There is a logic behind it. That is, based on some rule, these letters or numbers are given, and following the same rule or logic, we have to find the next upcoming letter or number or word, whatever it is. That is series. There are three types of letter series. That is letter series for repeating letters, letter series for non-repeating letters, and letter series having group of letters. So the most important thing for alphabetical series is you have to know the place value of each letter. Like A is 1, B is 2 and C is 3 likewise. Okay. Now we'll see some examples like a letter series for repeating letters. Here you see they are given 5 dashes. We have to fill the dashes with any of the option. Here the option is option C. See, if you fill that option C, see A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, A, B, C. See, there is some rhythm in this, like a continuous order. Hence, the option is option C. The next question is based on non-repeating letters A, C, F, J, O, and what is the next letter? See, between A and C, there is a gap of 1. C and F, 2. F and J, 3. J and O, 4. So, O, after 5 letters, what you get? U. So, that is the correct answer. Next is having group of letters. See, whenever you have group of letters, you better write it in vertical way, so you will easily find the answer. See, if you see A, between A and F, there are 4 letters. Likewise, F and after 4 letters, what you get? It is K. Then similarly K and P, in between there are 4 letters. P after 4 letters you get U. Hence the option is K. U. The previous year questions, few of them. See, this is a word series where you have to know the hierarchy of their position. See here, flying officer is the right answer. Flying officer, after which is the flight lieutenant, after which squadron leader, and after which wing commander. Okay, next question. See, there is a series, one term we have to find, that is the final term. See, FUGTHSIR, what is the next term? If you see F and G, I told you to write it in vertical way. So when you write it in vertical way, after F you get G, after G H I, so obviously it would be J. The only option in J is first option. Anyway, you check the other side also. U, T, S, R, that will be in opposite reverse order. See, Q, R, S, T, U. So the option is J, Q. Here it is repeating letters. See, for this option 3 suits: J, K, L, M, J, K, L, M, J, K, L, M. See, repetition of J, K, L, M. So option 3 is the right answer. For this, when you see, actually the question seems to be big and tough, but actually the answer is very easy to find. Just note it down, note down the position of this CC. First it is in first and second position, second and third, third and fourth, fourth and fifth, fifth and sixth. So next is sixth and seventh. Sixth and seventh, only option is option 3. From this itself we can find, but also check for other C. CCA, CCB, CCA, CCB, CCA, and obviously next option would be CCB. So this is the right option. Anyway, check for after CCB you should get AB, AB, A. So after CCB, AB, AB, A. That is the right option. Next question, we have to find the in between letter pair. See, BMFQ. If you check for this, the number of letters in between B and F would be 3, F and J would be 3. Obviously 3 letters after J is N, and similarly M after 3 letters it is Q, after 3 letters it is U, after 3 letters it is Y. So the option is NY. Next question, VXK this all. We have to find the last letter series. So if you see from reverse order, G after which 4 letters is L, after which 4 letters is Q, after which 4 letters is V. So before 4 letters it would be B. The final questions we are going to cover is, see, we have to find the in between series. See, O, P, R, S, V, W, question mark and GH. When you see O and R, the letters in between is 2. R and V it is 3. So obviously after 4 letters, what letter you get is the series following. So it is A. Check for the other side also. After P, after 2 letters is S, after 3 letters is W, after 4 letters is B. So the option is second option, AB. Hope you understood. Thank you.